I told you that most manufacturing companies in India are losing business every single day, not because of poor sales, but because of inefficiencies inside their warehouse and supply chains?
A truck waiting for loading, workers spending hours searching inventory, forklifts traveling unnecessary distances, products getting damaged because of poor packaging, inventory sitting idle.
All these hidden inefficiencies increase logistics costs and reduce profitability. Our team attended the India Warehousing Show 2026 at Yashobhoomi, New Delhi, where more than 300 companies showcased technologies that help businesses solve these exact problems.
Let's see how modern warehousing solutions are transforming Indian manufacturing and logistics.
First, let's see why supply chains matter. Whenever we talk about manufacturing, most people think of factories. But the reality is that a product's journey starts long before manufacturing and continues long after production. Raw material procurement, inbound transportation, storage, production, packaging, warehousing, distribution, last mile delivery. A delay at any one stage impacts the entire supply chain. This is why leading companies today are investing heavily in logistics technology and warehouse automation. Second, now let's look at material handling equipment. Imagine a warehouse handling thousands of pallets daily.
Without forklifts and automated handling systems, loading becomes slower, labor costs increase, damage rates increase, truck turnaround time rises. Modern forklifts, pallet movers, and stackers help warehouses move more goods with fewer people and much greater accuracy.
For manufacturing companies, faster material movement means lower costs and higher productivity. Third, it's now time for warehouse automation and robotics. This is where warehousing is heading.
Instead of workers manually moving products across large warehouses, automated conveyor systems and robotics handle repetitive tasks.
Benefits include faster order processing, reduced human errors, higher throughput, 24/7 operations. For e-commerce, automotive, retail, and manufacturing companies, automation can significantly improve operational efficiency. Number 4, warehouse management software. A warehouse can have the best infrastructure, but if management doesn't know where inventory is located, chaos begins. This is where warehouse management systems come in. These platforms help companies track inventory in real time, reduce stockouts, improve inventory accuracy, optimize picking routes, improve customer service. Think of warehouse management system as the brain of a modern warehouse. Number 5, packaging and supply chain solutions. Many businesses underestimate the importance of packaging.
Good packaging reduces transit damage, returns, handling costs, storage inefficiencies.
Smart packaging solutions can significantly improve supply chain performance while reducing overall logistics costs. Number 6, what this means for real estate. Now here's something interesting. As companies invest in automation and technology, they increasingly require grade A warehouses. These facilities need higher floor load capacity, larger column spacing, better clear heights, docking infrastructure, power availability, technology integration. This is one of the biggest reasons why demand for grade A warehousing is growing rapidly across India. Modern logistics require modern warehousing infrastructure. Walking through the India Warehousing Show 2026, one thing becomes very clear. Warehousing is no longer just about storing goods. It is about speed, visibility, automation, technology, efficiency. Companies that adopt these technologies will reduce logistics costs, improve delivery performance, and become more competitive. If you are a manufacturer, logistics company, warehouse operator, or investor, this transformation is something you cannot ignore. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.